Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change or set the language and country of the Kenya Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the More button down below in the right side corner. Then scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Settings in the left side. After that, go to Global Settings at the top and you can select the language first of all, so tap on it. Here you can find all languages. Tap on the relevant one and then the language of the whole app will be updated automatically. Then the second option that you can select is the country. Here you can find them on the list, but you can also type in your country name to the top. Tap on it and then it will be set to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.